we're back at it again. I shouldn't have fallen so hard. Got me falling for the same things again. When I'm back here at the start. 1, 2, 3.
Nigga, finally out the army. Made it back from Texas.
What's up?
Army veteran Cal. What's up, dude?
Chillin'. Brought the 1UZ back.
My boy copped a nice little, what year is it?
92.
1992 LS400 tugboat.
Cross country.
Invincible 1UZ, man. It's minty. So you bought it from some old people?
Yeah, the original owner.
Original owner. Doing some nice little runnies, nice little skedaddles. Yo, Drew's about to meet us. Follow me. Spit it. We're waiting on Drew.
Can I see it?
Yeah, I got you. Ooh. Just cruising, waiting on homeboy with the G35. Oh, would you look at that? G35, little Nicky. Nigga looks like the feds. Hey, bro, you the feds?
Yeah, bro.
This guy look like the feds. Hey, bro, you the feds? You wear Bluetooth, you look like the feds, dude.
Knock sensor and EGR mount.
Let's see. First left, nigga. Yo, move your car, nigga, cause this nigga's retarded, mentally challenged.
What you got in here? Bluetooth too? No, transmitter.
What?
An iPhone transmitter? FM transmitter.
What the fuck are you doing back here? What is this? Oh, nigga, you have one of these?
Yeah.
I know what this is. I wanna hear the
I want to hear the
engine
engine
purr.
purr.
Overheating?
Nope.
Car warmed up? Don't blow your engine out.
No,
Cold the
you
motor.
got your headlights on.
There's cars behind us too, don't forget.
Yo, how the fuck do you get here? What the fuck? You need people fucking directions.
Nigga doesn't know how to drive automatically.
What do you got to say?
I got you with the nice little spot so you can get a little test time before we.
God. Woo!
Take it to the left. The left is the way, but you gotta like let it build up. Stay right here real quick. Let this pack. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there he goes.
Hold
It's
on.
over.
Hold on, don't do nothing.
Wait, this nigga.
Let
No,
this
go.
nigga
He's good. He's in the U-turn.
Let this
Oh,
nigga go. Let this
all right,
nigga
fuck
go.
it. Let him do them.
Alright.
Yo, you see, this is Florida shit.
Yo, build up some shit.
All right, let's see you go. Hopefully that car that's coming towards us.
Ain't no federal.
Yeah, that's it. It's just kind of like a Tesla.
Damn, this shit feels weird.
I'm telling you, like
What
it's
the
it's like I don't know. This shit's fast though.
Nah, it is. I ain't gonna lie.
Just hit a U-turn right here.
Really?
And then go back. Yeah. I always hit this shit. Just wait for cars and shit to go by and make sure no cars are coming behind us. Yeah, you good. Hit it.
Drift this bitch. Nah, I'm playing. Don't do that.
Yeah, it's not wide enough. He was doing it earlier, low key. Here you go, full road.
You're on your left side. Damn, boy.
See, but you're only going fucking 80. I would have been at 120 in my 350s. You dogging down this road, banging in fourth gear.
This is Michigan?
Yeah, right here, nigga. But I like this shit, bro. It's nice and smooth.
It's smooth, right?
Yeah, it's just
That's what I'm saying, bro. I could have easily fucking rode
I
this
be
shit
feeling
all the
like
way
you
far.
driving in the grass when I'm over here. This shit's so wide, it's just fucking with my vision. But yeah, this shit rock, dude. It rock.
Run that back, turbo.